Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to set up and run your first Next.js project. So for this we need to have Node.js as well as Visual Studio Code installed. So first let's begin with installing Node.js. Just Google Node.js and here we will be having the download link. Click it and in this downloads page, here we can change the Node.js version of our choice, and here we are having for other operating system also. If you just scroll down, here we are having two options. One is Windows installer and another one is standalone binary. I will just go with the Windows installer one. So this will download the setup file. It is about 31 MB in size. Just be patient till then. Once it is complete, just open it and we'll be getting this Node.js setup. Click on next. I accept, select next, and this is going to be the default location where Node.js is getting installed. If you want to change it, you can click on change to change it. Once you have done that, click on next, and these are fine, just leave it to default. Select next, next, and click on install. That's it. Within few seconds we will be getting Node.js has been successfully installed. Just click on finish and now open command prompt. So just go to search and open it. Here just run the command node space ---- version and hit enter. So as you can see, I have got the exact same version that I have installed. So if I run the command node, we'll be getting the node shell over here. Here we can run any JavaScript code. Okay, so I'm doing this simple math here. First thing, just Google VS Code. We'll be having the official link from code.visualstudio.com. Just click it. And here we are having the download for Windows option. Select this and the download will be getting started. It is around 119 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it and we'll be getting the setup. Just click on I accept the agreement and click on next, and this is going to be the default location where Visual Studio Code is going to get installed. If you don't have space in your local disk C, just change this to local disk D or E. So once you're done fixing the location, just click on next, and this is fine, next. And here is an important thing, make sure that you are checking all these checkboxes. Okay, this will be super useful in case if you are directly going to open a file or folder by right clicking on it. Okay, so just click on next, and these are the stuff that's going to happen now. Click on install. So once everything is done, just check launch VS Code and click on finish. So now in Visual Studio Code we need to open a folder. So for that, either you can click this or go to file, select open folder, just go to your preferred destination and create a new folder like this, and let me just name it as next demo. Okay, something like this, and select that and click on select folder. So now this particular folder will be getting opened. If it says trust authors, just click on that also. Now also open the terminal. Click on this new terminal. We are good now. We need to just run a single command to create our Next.js project. For that, just Google Next.js and click on the official link. Select get started, and here to the left we will be having so much of things. Select installation. So here click on npm, and this is going to be the command that we will be running. So just copy this, and here they are having another option. Okay, this --es means skips prompts using saved preferences or default. So this yes will give us the default configuration. If you don't want the default configuration based upon the TypeScript, Tailwind, ESLint, app router, you can skip this and config on your own. So let me also show you that. This will ask all these details. Okay, so just copy this command go here and hit enter. You can rename the app. I will just rename the app, so I'll just go with demo-app and hit enter. So press on the Y key, hit enter, and this is going to be the use the recommended defaults. I don't want the default ones. I will customize the settings. If you want, you can do that. So if you want to use the TypeScript or not, you can choose. I will go with yes. And ESLint, I'm fine with it. React compiler, it says no by default. I'll go with that. Tailwind CSS, if you want it, select yes. I don't want it, and I'll go with yes here. App router, yes, and default. So just wanted to show you what are the things we can customize when creating a project. Now it will install all the dev dependencies and dependencies, so just be patient for a while. That's it, all the necessary packages have been installed. So if I expand this, here we can see we have these many files, node modules, the source folder where our code is going to be there. Here in page.tsx we'll be having the code. This will be getting displayed in the browser. Next thing is we need to run this particular file. So for that, here we have the instructions. We need to cd into the particular folder or project name and run the command npm run dev. So let's go here and cd space demo-app, and we need to run the command npm run dev. And the app is running now. It's at localhost 3000. So click the control key and just click on it. This will open it in the default browser. So that's it. This is the default page that we'll be getting. So if I go to the code, we'll be having that exact same stuff. Here you can see to get started. So simply we can just give some random things, and if I go here, as you can see, I'm getting that text here. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.